Guys, in this video, we will be learning Pandas library in Python. As you know, Pandas library is used for data science and machine learning. Pandas library is a powerful and widely used data manipulation and analysis library in Python. It provides data structure for efficiently storing and manipulating large data sets and tool for working with structured data. Structured means we have CSV, we have JSON, we have SQL data tables, right? While before Pandas, we have been working with NumPy library wherein we see NumPy arrays. We worked from one dimensional to n dimensional array. Here with Pandas, we will be using some feature like data frame, series, data cleaning and pre-processing, indexing and selection, grouping and aggregation, merging and concatenation, reading and writing data, time series analysis, visualization, integration with NumPy. Okay, in short, we can say Pandas and NumPy libraries are used in data science and machine learning programmings. Let me show you the official website of Pandas library. If you open your browser and type in Pandas on Google, the very first link, that is Pandas official website. If you open the link, you will be able to see the installation of Pandas. So here you can see the latest version of Pandas library, that is 2.1.4, right? You can see what functionalities or features are there with the library. You can find their release histories also. You can find the documentation of Pandas library classes and functions. Okay, you can find API reference. Here we can see there are different categories on Pandas library. We can open anything and we can take help from this official documentation. We will get all the functions, all their documentation in Pandas library. If you see, Pandas is a fast, powerful, flexible and easy to use open source data analysis and a manipulation tool. Let me come back to the tutorial. We will see how we can install Pandas library on our computer. Either you have to open command prompt or you have to open the terminal on your any editor. So you have to type in one command pip install pandas. If you want to check whether a specific library is installed on your computer or not, you have to type in one command pip list. It will show you the total number of packages are installed on your computer. So there is a list here. You can see we have NumPy, we have Pandas also. So we are not going to install Pandas, or if you want to upgrade it, you have to type in pip install Pandas and you have to pass on one argument upgrade, right? So it will install the latest version on your existing library, right? Let's see what is series. Pandas series is nothing but a column in a table, right? A column you can consider as a series, right? It is one dimensional array holding data of any type. Let's implement. We have to import pandas first. We can take pd, the Python array, then one variable to hold your data or series. Pd.series function will be using, and array we have to pass on here. Let's print the result. As you can see, here we have printed the pandas series 1, 3, 5, 7. As a first column, you could see these are the indexes of these rows and column, right? 0 for 0 row, 1 for first row, 2 for second row, and 3 for third row, right? This is a column in the series. If you want to locate any element of this series result, and then we can say 2. If you're in the program, so you will get 5, right? Here you could see the 5 is printed because we have located the series element. Okay. If you want to set the labels with your series, then you have to create labels. A, that would be B, that would be C, right? If you now print your label, then you will get the value corresponding to the label, right? Right? So we have four elements and we have provided them the labels also, right? If you change it to C, it will get the value accordingly, right? This is 5. Okay. Let me take one relevant example, that is the sales of daily basis. This time we can create a dictionary, right? Day 1 sales, that is 1000. Now let's pass on the dictionary, right? And we remove it. It would be result 1. Now let's print the result 1. Okay, run the program again. So you will see the day 1 1000, day 2 1500, and day 3 is 2000, right? So which means we have created the series with their labels as well, right? If you want to get the value with a specific label, then you can say day 2, right? So in this tutorial, we have seen what is Pandas library in Python, how we can install Pandas library, and what is series in Pandas. That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.